Who else? Tristan Makapanban, Bronsanti, Robbie Fabian. Who else?
Ako!
Mr. Danny Lopez. Donnie Febre.
Joey Gomez.
Sunny Laigo donated 2 cases of beer.
Talagang ano ha?
Ricky San Juan donated 2 cases of beer. Yung pinakamaraming beer na nasa likuran pa rin, courtesy of Campus Beer Bar from San Miguel International.
Balot! Meron tayo napakasarap na balot! Imported!
Balot from
Vincent! Madlang Bayan! Kiyongsik!
Sino ba nagdala? Ito mo also brought something.
Encinitas!
Ito Aliga, Encinitas.
Encinitas! Sure! Brats!
Please give me 5 minutes of your time. I'd like to report what is happening in our college. So medyo serious ito. But it requires our involvement. Number one, Dean Aura Matias is about to finish their 1 year of deanship in the college. As you know, last year we made a courtesy call. And one of the things he asked us to do was to help out in different activities of the college. So I'd like to report, for instance, in terms of the summer internship program, year 2011, we were able to fill 314 senior students in various partner companies. And this is a significant jump from the 110 in the previous year. So obviously our work in helping out in the summer internship program is working. And again, thanks to many of you, DM Kunsun, EI, etc., companies where we have grads who accepted or hosted some interns. The second item is related with the professorial chairs. As you know, one of the problems is retaining PhD faculty in the college. And there are 18 PhD candidates returning in the next 3 years. And we are now busy raising professorial chairs for these people. And each chair is about 1.5 million pesos as the corpus. So the interest goes to the, as a 10,000 peso monthly allowance for the shareholders. So our task now is to rent 18 chairs for the next 3 years. In addition to the 87 chairs that are already in place. The third item, this is an easy one, the Distinguished Alumni Lecture Series. Unfortunately, as Associate Dean Gonzalez said, in August is the anniversary year of Beta Epsilon. But unfortunately, we were not able to nominate a speaker for this month. If you know the Distinguished Alumni Lecture Series, we had June Berba, David Consunhi, of course, Tony Austria, Dennis Quinto, who have been speakers. But we were not able to field one in August. Leonard, where? This Friday.
Once and Lucano.
Okay. So next Friday. This Friday. Okay. Because for September, the one in schedule is Eric Recto, the president of Petron, who is the son of our brother. The fourth one is related with the there's a research competition in Taiwan to be held next month. Alex, I think this is time to ask for help. UP is sending a team of 20 students for an earthquake design contest. And they need 260,000 pesos to cover airfares and dormitory. And the dean has already committed 50,000. So she's asking our help from alumni if we can chip in and contribute about 210,000 pesos for these 20 students. These are the students of Alex Acacio. And the last one is related with the dropout rate in engineering. As you know, this is a very interesting statistic that we accept about 1,200 freshmen every year. But only 650 graduates finish their course. So there's a big dropout rate in between. So the college is asking our help also in two areas. One is counseling students. So something like we can volunteer our time to counsel students before they get into trouble. Because what's happening now is that they go to the counselor's office only when they're in trouble. It's too late. So the idea is to help keep students and graduate them as soon as we can, or during the time of the 5-year course, or maybe 7 years, but not 9 years. So those are the areas where we are, or the team is